Yes, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and all the viewers of the Zexon Hamidu YouTube Sports TV. That is in the Premier League, Aston Villa has just beaten Manchester City, that is 2-1, in the first game of that is the weekend, that is in the English Premier League, piling more pressure to coach, that is Pep Guardiola. Things are not moving on positively. Having won that is the Premier League for 4 consecutive seasons, I think this is the time for the Premier League clubs to make a payback, and Aston Villa, that is at the Villa Park, they have comfortably beaten them, that is 2-1. Earlier on it was 2-0 until that is Manchester City tried to get that is a consolation goal through star player that is Phil Foden that came, that was in the 93rd minute. I remember they had added that is 4 minutes. The game was just very intense on high tempo, reason being that Aston Villa were previously beaten, that is away at Nottingham Forest. So this time in their home game up against Manchester City, they knew that at least they have to win this game if they are to bounce back, that is to winning ways, or to claim that is a sport in European football where they are comfortably representing England in the UEFA Champions League, and things are moving on positively. At just the start of the first whistle, Aston Villa kept on piling more pressure, that is on Manchester City, and within the 16th minute, that is informed striker, that is Duan Dulan, that is the 21-year-old superstar, managed to open up the scoring with a fine finish after getting an assist, that is through Morgan Rogers, that is the youngster, giving Aston Villa the upper advantage, that is within the first 16th minute. Manchester City kept on piling more pressure towards this game. At least they could get an equalizer in this game. However, things were not moving on positively as the well-organized defense of that is Aston Villa managed to keep them at bay, more so with the sensational performance of the best goalkeeper in the world, that is Emiliano Martinez, who kept them at bay. Whatever shot came into the box or in the 18-yard box was well dealt with, and even with the defenders of Manchester City, the defenders of Aston Villa were always that is on point. At halftime, the game ended that is 1-0 in favor of Aston Villa, and on the restart of second half, Manchester City was pushing for an equalizer. However, it felt, or it had, that is a long hill to climb, reason being that they were not given a chance until the 65th minute, when that is Morgan Rogers, the English international, after getting an assist through that is Mark Ginn, the Scottish superstar, making it 2-1. And later on, Aston Villa kept on being the better side, increasing on performances, a number of interceptions, more so with a front or a sharp attack of that is superstar Mark Ginn, at the likes of Dulan, and even the likes of Oli Watkins, who came in as a substitute, that is in this game, but all in all was on point and managed to hold on until the last minutes, and the referee did not hesitate, that is to add only 4 minutes, and those 4 minutes that were added, Aston Villa managed to capitalize on them to hold this game until the game ended, making it that was 2-1, and with so doing, Aston Villa managed to climb that is to 5th position at 28 points, only 1 point ahead of that is Manchester City, and with so doing, I think things are moving on positively. To those that had given this win while on TV and on radio, I think we are on proper par as things are moving on positively, more so in the hands and in the favor of Aston Villa, bringing Unai Emery's boys back to the driving seat. As always, I'm Zexon Hamidu.